What's up guys, it's Lawrence, and today we have a crazy unboxing because there's 4 shoes in front of me, and I kind of went a little overboard. Someone actually told me that I only reviewed Nikes and only wear Nikes, and so I went on a spree of buying other pairs of shoes from other companies, but also because like I have a bum foot. My right foot is bum, and so I decided to get actually a bunch of comfortable shoes, see how they feel. Make some suggestions for there for other people that might have bum feet, but also for my own sake, to try them out and see if they can help me out. So they're all over the place, so mainly Asics though. Right now we have the Gel Kayano 26 SPS. This is, I believe, my first time opening it too. This is part of their academic pack, so the idea behind the pack is that it's very similar to kind of like your school uniform for universities and whatever else. So pretty cool colorway, and obviously it's based on the Kayano 26. Not much difference here. The main difference here is instead of the typical meshed all throughout, you actually have pieces of suede. The idea behind these is obviously much more of a lifestyle shoe based on the runner as opposed to just the runner itself. The people at the store were explaining to me that the suede doesn't fare too well in the weather, and so the idea behind this shoe is definitely much more of a lifestyle take on a very, very amazing running shoe. I can't wait to try these on. I used to wear Asics a lot. Stopped wearing them after I stopped running, and Nike actually released a bunch of heat with the React series, Zoom X, and whatever else. So when I used to run Kayanos and Gel Nimbuses and Cumuluses were kind of my thing. I'm going to go down the Asics line again. The next thing that I have here is the Gel Quantum 365. If you guys don't know what that is, this is the Gel Quantum 365. I don't know if I love these right out of the box or right out of the gate, but you can see these here. This is a white upper. I don't even know what this material is. It's kind of meshy, but it's kind of neoprene-y. It might be neoprene. We'll figure that out, but it's got a really, really hard heel cup over here. It's got 360 degrees of gel. It's actually got some quality control issues right here. No, I can just scrape it off, not a big deal. But you can see the green and then purple and then blue in the back. I was also told at the store that the gel all throughout makes a huge difference when you're talking about how to move your foot. The torsion system in the middle is very rigid, which is something that's really important if you're having some trouble with your arches and things like that, which is what I'm having. Interested to try this shoe on, not sure how it'll fare, but we shall see. This is a Gel Quantum 365. Stack that on top. Let's finish up Asics and head into the Mizuno, which is the first time I'll ever try a Mizuno. This is, I'm actually really kind of stoked about the shoe. This is the Gel Kinsei OG. I don't know why it's called the OG. That's actually a really good question. Why is it called the OG? So here's the shoe itself, and it's got a very, very interesting heel area, and it's made out of this gel material, and it's got this really, really hard piece over here as well. There is no gel in the front, and so we'll see how that fares, but mainly it looks like a synthetic leather upper, and has mesh all throughout. So we'll see how this fares. Has an ortholite insole, which is kind of nice. That's always nice just to have, but I like this colorway a lot. We'll see how it fares. Again, I'll have to do a lot of testing on these, but fortunately I'm actually leaving for Europe in about a day and a half, and I can only take one of these shoes with me. Oh wait, no, there is gel in front. Oh, there is gel in front. Usually that's how they denote it. I'll see how it all feels, but this is the Gel Kinsei OG. And finally, this is the Mizuno Wave Prophecy 8. I've seen this on other people's feet, and I've always wondered what it was, and finally did some research, and this is... Isn't that cray-cray? It's got, like, nothing here. It kind of reminds me of Shocks, but it's not Shocks, obviously. It doesn't really push in that much, so... I don't know. It's definitely a really, really rigid shoe, which makes... the midfoot really stable, which is really great for me, but I don't know how this is going to feel. The reviews on this are really great. This is done in a blue colorway with yellow pops throughout. I'm actually really excited to try this out. This looks like it has relatively breathable mesh. There is 3M in the middle, in the knit, maybe not knit, in the mesh in the back. Lots of hard rubbers and everything throughout. So we'll see how these fit. But I'm super interested to see how these are. And that's it. If you guys have any questions on any of these shoes, you'll probably get a review on a couple of them, maybe not all of them. But if you have specific ones or requests, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you did not like the video, don't give me a thumbs down. And subscribe to the channel if you are so inclined. But until next time, these are the Mizuno Wave Prophecy 8, the Gel Kinsei OG, the Gel Quantum 360-5, and then the Gel Kayano 26 SPS. Peace.